And we are live. All right. GM everyone. Welcome to today's edition of Project Spotlights. And you know what we do here. We bring the people who are building the technology of today, technology of tomorrow. We bring them here. They showcase their products. We talk about their products and basically how it's interacting with this our Starknet ecosystem. So today I have with me Michael, and this is someone I have known for quite some time, 2018, I think. I think that'll be 2018. So he's here today, and he's the founder of QuickSmag. And you know what? Let me let him introduce himself and tell us about QuickSmag.
Yeah. Hello, guys. GM. I'm Michael Chibudum. I'm the founder of QuickSmag, which is a WhatsApp AI agent. So before I go into that, I've been in crypto for a while since 2017. I think I met Tokiko that through Steemit and
Yeah.
all when we're blogging and also I came into crypto through the utility side of things, not by trading or anything. So I've always been someone who has been looking forward to building something real. And of course, in future, I made money through pre-sales and many other things too. And I've worked for some cool crypto companies. So fast forward to today, I'm building QuickSmag, which is a WhatsApp AI agent for ordering food. So simply put, you can order food to your doorstep and fast, easy, just with WhatsApp. So we build this, and it also makes sense for us to integrate crypto payment in it, meaning that if you travel to Argentina, if you travel to US, if you travel to UK, you can pay for someone's food over here on Starknet, and it will get delivered to their house. So that's what we're building in few lines.
Okay. Thank you very much for that. Let's just start. What prompted the creation of QuickSmart as a WhatsApp-based AI agent? Because there are what's it called? Other companies, there are other projects that are building that are food ordering projects, and they have like probably full apps of their own and everything. So what made you decide to have QuickSmart as a WhatsApp-based AI agent?
Yeah. Okay, great. So I usually get this question. So first of all, we're in Nigeria and Africa generally, and you can see like around let's say 98% or in Nigeria, almost everyone who has a smartphone, of course, has WhatsApp on it. So it made sense for us to build it on WhatsApp, which means no one needs to download any app. There's no stress of, oh, I don't have space in my phone, or I need to start downloading from the App Store. I need to register and all that. So it made sense for us to build on WhatsApp. And actually, this idea actually came out because of, let's say, lack of resources too, because we initially wanted to build with a full app. I already had the UI UX done, paid the UI UX designer, had everything done. And when it reached time for development, I was like, oh, we need to test this thing in with a real product. And I started thinking of the best way to test it in simpler way without spending too much funds and developing traction with it. So that's why we basically developed with WhatsApp.
Yeah. Okay, great. So uh, there was a problem, and this is how you solve it. That's great. Okay, so let's put it this way: the it's AI based, yes. How does the AI streamline the food ordering process compared to other traditional apps?
Okay, yeah. So if you go to like quicksmart.com, so you could just simply type you can go to YouTube and you see a demo order food with Starknet on Quicksmart. So you go there and let's say you want a salad, you simply type in salad. It's going to give you these are the list of the restaurants coming in. Oh, these are the list of restaurants that have in salad, and you tap it, you continue with the order process. you can find the QuickSmag number on our QuickSmag site, quicksmag.com, and you continue with the flow. So in less than 10 seconds, you would have ordered food. Imagine you're a new user, and first of all, if you're using apps, you have to download this and sign up and do this. But on WhatsApp, or let's even say, okay, you are not with your phone, but you have a friend who has WhatsApp near you. You simply go to there and order. So the WhatsApp AI gives it a feel that, oh, you're talking with someone or something that can help you pick your food choices too. So that's what really makes it easy. And of course, the payment you can pay on crypto and via fiat to pay stack. So that's really where the whole AI thing comes in. Just easy onboarding and easy ordering of food, basically.
Mm, that's great. So how do you ensure a, would I say, seamless and quick experience for users? Like, what it's like for users? How do you ensure
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. For users, basically, I remember when I was in the school, the department party, and we just ran a simple giveaway. I think we gave people like 10 plates of rice and all that. I always thought that people have issues using the AI, but when you go there, you see that, oh, even someone of 50 years can use it because it simply says, okay, type. You can just go there, browse restaurants, or type what you want. So we ensure that, especially in terms of the payment, something like using crypto payments, for instance, on Starknet, when you go there and prompt the AI, and when it reaches the payment stuff, the only thing you need to do is simply to send that exact amount to the wallet. So similar to how Paystack like works in the checkout points to, it's similar to that. So in crypto aspect, so if your food costs $1 or $2, you just send it to the address and it works. So we also remove that whole security constraints, pasting links and all too. And it's just a simple send and complete order, put your address and it lands in your doorstep. And we launched our pilot city, which is Oka and Anambra State right now, and soon we'll expand more.
Okay, that's great. Let's see. Okay, one can pay through Stack, through Stack. Now let's imagine a situation where I send Stack to my mother. Probably she has a Stack wallet I set up for her and something. She has no cash on her. She's trying to pay. This is someone who isn't crypto savvy. Uh, what's it like for someone like that? Like, because according to what you said people can pay easily via the app because it's basically just WhatsApp, like chatting and everything. But for someone who isn't crypto savvy, is there a way you have streamlined to make it easier for someone to pay, or is that still in process?
Yeah, so like I said, the most easiest method is I think like just like a bank app, one of the most easiest thing people find it to do is just to send money out of their app. And I believe in anybody that has a bank app at least knows how to receive copies account number or where it is and
Mm-hmm.
at least send money out, whether it's stressing. So the same thing to um, when you have Starknet stable coins, we use stable coins because we don't want the issue of too many complications. So it's usually stable coins, send this amount and you copy the address, which in the case of real world, it will be an account number. And in the case of Starknet or cryptocurrency, copy the address and put it there, and you paste the exact amount. So anyone who can use Paystack or fiat or local currency should be able to use that too. At least he or she had a wallet where Starknet was sent. You make sure you're on the Starknet network and you send. So it's simply a send and receive your food thing. We didn't want to make it complicated, especially at the start and all that. So that's how we simply made it easy for people. Go to the DApp. This DApp is for this. So we first gave the normal users that onboarding process, the ordering food, and you can use this for a payment if you don't have the local currency, but you have crypto and Starknet.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so walk us through the mm, what it's like from the point where I order to the point where it is delivered. Walk me through that process.
Okay. Um, I guess I have to. probably share my screen right now if I can. Yeah, I think I can.
Yes, you can.
Okay. Let's see if we can use the YouTube demo, which should work better. A moment, WhatsApp is actually loading. Okay, waiting for. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to play a video, which is a demo on on YouTube, via YouTube, posted that as a demo for people who want to like check out our product and do
Okay,
that
wait,
because
you have
it's
it on
WhatsApp
YouTube?
and I don't think, yes, I do.
Okay, yeah. Makes sense.
I have it on YouTube. What we're going to do. So if you search order food with USDC on WhatsApp, you're going to see it right now. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so okay, share my screen right now. Boom.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So this,
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
yeah, I can.
Yeah, okay, I think I lost you for a second. Okay.
By pounded yam and ekusi. So this is the image, delicious. I'm going to check out and put my address
Oh, I think we lost you there for a second.
and then
If you can start
Tony,
again.
if you did.
Yeah.
Like start from the
You said
beginning.
you lost
Yeah, so start from the
me.
beginning of the video.
Can you see my? You can.
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. Can I continue playing?
Like start from the beginning. Okay, yes. All right. No, start from the beginning. We are at checkout here, so start. Take it to the
Okay.
beginning.
Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. I should I probably it's a 2 minute
Yeah,
video. So we're
GMGM.
starting.
So this is how to order food using USDC on Starknet as payment method. So I'm going to browse restaurant. We just integrated this few hours ago. Going to browse restaurant right now, and I am going to buy pounded yam and ekusi. So this is the image, delicious. I'm going to check out and put my address, and then Tony, if you did. Yeah, so I'm going to pay with crypto. choosing the Starknet USDC option, that food to their doorstep here in Oka, Anambra State. So I'm my Starknet wallet, and I'm going to paste the address which came up there and send the exact amount, 0.897957 897957 897957, just to confirm. Okay, so I'm going to go right now. Done. So I think I'm wait a bit so the transaction will confirm. And this is all. Once the transaction is confirmed, the bot picks it up and the payment gets confirmed. Just like, yeah. So there we have it. I just placed egusi and pounded yam straight to my doorstep here in Oka using USDC on Starknet, only on QuickSmag WhatsApp AI agents. GM, so this is how to order food using.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's pretty simple and straightforward. I like that.
Okay. Yeah. So I believe you don't need like a genius to to be able to do that.
No.
Basically.
It's straightforward. Okay. So what has from people who have used it, people who are using it, because you're using it in Anambra already, what has the feedback been like from users?
Yeah. Okay. So one thing, like for instance, we've generated over 700,000 naira, which is around $600 in sales for the few vendors who are there too. So mind you, this is like from zero marketing. And when I mean zero marketing, we've not done ads or any big physical marketing in that area. Why? Because we prefer to hear what people think about the product or how it's working, and we keep building. So when we first started, for instance, there were some features that were not there. There were some features we have to remove, some that won't make sense, and some we have to add. When we first started, it was only local currency, and we added crypto, and now it's generating revenue. So we have over 130 orders and over 300 visitors who are coming to with even like zero marketing, as I said. So one good thing is that people like the fact that it's on WhatsApp. That's the funny thing. I don't know, like funny enough, I noticed that people over here in Africa or Nigeria, they find it stressful to download app. You may think it's a little issue, maybe because as a crypto guy or all that, but people don't like downloading app, even people that have like security um phobia and stuff like that. They don't really like downloading apps. So we've gotten good feedbacks from people too. The feedbacks we've used to develop the product, feedbacks we've used to know, oh, we should add this kind of food, or we should have this kind of vendors. We're not looking to have this kind of vendors too. And one of the good things that there are over 40,000 students here in the federal school. So it's a very good pinpoint for things like Starknet and all promoting the Starknet ecosystem over here in the Eastern Nigeria and in the Student Ambassador Network.
That's great. Okay, so beyond food, what are the long-term plans for QuickSmag beyond food?
Okay, so beyond food, also plan to pivot this thing like in terms of blockchain ecosystem to a supply management software as a service, looking at supply management or a data source to see how people are willing to spend money on blockchain. Mind you, the first transaction on the blockchain was through food. Laszlo, when he spent around 10,000 BTC. Was it 10,000 right here? Buying, buying few boxes of pizza. So don't people should not underrate what they can do when they are hungry. They can spend like millions on food because you have to feed the body. that works on the money. So apart from that, we have the on-chain loyalty, and who knows, in future we could also decide to tokenize, have something that will reward early people and all that if we have a token that is as a utility token on Starknet too. So beyond food, supply management ecosystem. So something that shows transparently on the blockchain too. Also beyond food too, we also plan on using things like electric bikes and all that, which can also interestingly pivot to showing things like how people use things like green credits on the blockchain, and how people get trying to get the name again, the the green sustainability credits. Basically, big companies buy them for people who are saving the planet. So beyond food, that's a big scope of what we intend to do in future.
Mm, great, great. Okay, so why did you select Starknet as one of the layers for enabling payments?
Okay, Starknet is fast. Starknet is fast, first of all, and it's a blockchain. I feel like people have not utilized the potential. It's dev friendly because I remember like a friend made around $50K from Starknet during the early launch and all that. So one thing that like devs can also want be looking at our product, giving us feedback, and also be looking to build more things or helping us to build products. So that was one of the feedback apart from the fact of being multi-chain too. So that's one thing. Fast, easy, cheap too. And one thing I like about Starknet is the account abstraction stuff. So it is most of the wallets, if not all, support account abstraction. So instead of looking for something like maybe the way other chains work, you look for the native gas fee on the chain. In Starknet, once I have the stable coin, I just send. So I don't need that native gas fee. So which makes it easy because somebody who has stable coins to pay for food should not be looking for gas fee to still be able to pay for food. So that account abstraction and all that make it really fancy to for Starknet to be on QuickSmag.
Okay, okay. That's great. Uh, let's talk uh, long term. Let's talk time. Uh, say 6 years. I mean, sorry, 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years down the line. What does the future look like for QuickSmag?
Okay, let's say in a year, I'm looking at around having at least like the monthly orders, 1,000 orders, and almost like 50% of that or 60 are from crypto. And of course, Starknet having a large portion of it, the orders coming in. And when we expand, we're having like it over multiple cities, not just in Nigeria, all over Nigeria and in Africa too. People using it and realizing they can pay easily for food with crypto too. So that's like our long term vision of what we intend to do. So, but in the first 6 months and all that, we're looking at having at least recurring orders 500 to 1,000 too. And this just requires funding too because this is is a heavy logistic inclined business too, and all that too.
Okay. Uh, what would I say some of the problems? Because I think people would say, okay, something people say is something that's good would definitely have some issues growing up. There'll be trials and errors and everything. What are some of the hurdles you've experienced while trying to uh, build QuickSmag?
Okay. One of I won't really say building we had an issue because um he had a good dev team and network with good devs and all that too. So I didn't really have any issue with the tech side too. And had people I could network with in the ecosystem and all that too. But one issue and the challenge is the logistic aspect because you also have to work with the buy guys and all that too, which may affect the product and people using it because a hungry man is an angry man. So everybody wants their food fast. I want to order food and be waiting like an hour or something. So I'm even looking for ways through blockchain can solve the supply management. You see who is very fast. You can even see it in real time and all that. So those one of the major issues was the logistics side, basically, which we are looking for ways to fix that and to improve too, basically.
Okay. So let me get something. I think I missed it earlier. The sellers aren't the one handling the delivery. The delivery is coming from QuickSmag's end, correct?
Yeah, it's coming from QuickSmag. The vendor only it's a marketplace. So it's a
Yeah.
marketplace of home chefs. We prioritize
Yeah.
home chefs too, which it's a student area. Okay, so we have over 40,000 students. So imagine you're a student or I'm a student, you can cook from your house, list on our platform. And since it's a marketplace, people get to see the food there. And once you get an order, we also our delivery guys we are partnered with and all that handles the delivery too. So it's a software also still powering the delivery too and streamlining the whole process too. So
Uh,
products also powering the delivery basically.
Makes sense. I earnestly assumed you were probably partnering just with vendors who have their own delivery service. But so now I like this.
No.
It's a good one.
Yeah, the business model comes from the vendor, the riders, and the software too.
Yeah.
That's it basically.
Okay. Uh, to let's see, how do you see? Okay, this is AI. This is the intersection of AI and blockchain. What would you say? How do you see the future evolving? You've been in the space for quite a while. Uh, how do you see the future evolving for what's it called? Uh, when it comes to AI and blockchain on the African continent?
Okay, in terms of blockchain, I feel like everybody is still going to use it directly or indirectly. To come to a point, you'll be paying for something in your local currency, but you know you're interacting with the blockchain. So it's not something you could avoid. I feel like I think a few weeks back there was this popular guy who came to Nigeria and everybody saw it. I should speed now that when
Yeah,
he was paying
the,
for was it jewelry with USDT. So you can see it. He needed to pay for it the same way it's going to apply to food and all that. These are real world things that no matter how the world evolves, everybody will always eat every day. So trends change. When I came to market, there was Timmy, there was Presale, there was meme coins, things change, but there are some things that always remain there too. AI is always advancing, it will always advance. This is just the beginning phase we have seen too. The same way with the blockchain technology, but all of them are here to make like life easier and better.
okay, great. Oh well, if let me tell you something funny. Your number is saved on my phone as song, and
As well.
the reason why it's saved as song is you came to me then and you said, "Oh, you're trying to add someone to a group we're on," and I think you said the guy sings or something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and asking for your name, I think I did not ask for your name immediately. I just did the adding and everything, and then later on, I was trying to save the contacts, and I was like, I'm saving it. Now coming back and asking, "Yo, what's up? What's your name?" Felt some kind of way, so I was just like, "Song." And since then, it's like it has been. So when I see it, my mind is usually like, which is your first name? Is it OKK or Michael? Which
Okay, as you can see on the screen, it's OKK Chibudon Michael. So,
okay, so Michael is
my
okay.
native name is my first name actually. You can call
Okay.
me Michael to my other name. So Chibudon
Oh,
Michael was all on LinkedIn and everywhere too. So I'm fully doxed.
okay. All right. Oh, well, it's been great talking to you, Mike.
Yeah, so
It's been nice seeing QuickSmag. I look forward to it rolling out in other cities, and even so those of us living in other cities can try it out.
yeah, sure. So quicksmag.com, go to the AI. You could give us feedback and what we can improve, what we can remove. And thank you, Starknet community.
Oh, great. Thank you very much for coming. It's been great having you, and we have come to the end of today's edition of Project Spotlights. Uh, Thank you very much, everyone, for watching. Remember to follow Starknet Africa on X, formerly known as Twitter. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and look for turn on your notifications for other things we'll be dropping. It's been great. Thank you very much, everyone, for attending. Good night.
Yeah.